No, but I guess for me, I look at this P. Diddy case as, is it a case of they're trying to attack him for trying to rise above the glass ceiling? Or is it a case of karma?
Karma? What do you mean?
He's been notorious for screwing people over record deals. And if you had to analyze the whole bad boy label, like a lot of the artists are either in jail or they're dead broke or something happened to them one way or the other. I can't even think of any artist from bad boy label that's doing well. So is it a case of karma? And it's not like he screwed them over. He just, it was business. But
Yeah.
the way people look at it was you had an advantage. You knew what the contracts would say, but these guys were naive, but yet you just took advantage of them in a legal way. Like he didn't do anything illegal from what I understand, but
Yeah.
it was like people signing contract that they didn't really understand and they should have tried to understand.
Took accountability for every.
Sorry.
It's all good. That's what I'm asking. Is this a case of karma versus a case of they're trying to make sure he doesn't rise above the glass ceiling?
If you call it karma, then it's a bit of a hypocrisy because look at Jay-Z's label. So a lot of people don't know Jay-Z took a lot of people from Rockefeller, took Memphis Bleak, but then he took Kanye and he took a couple of, but the point of the matter is that a lot of them fell off. Just Kanye and
But they did well.
I'm getting to
by
that.
their own rights.
Pardon me?
Kanye did.
You're right, but there's a lot of them that didn't do well. And the theory is that Jay-Z took the ones that were already rising anyways. So it's not like he really groomed or did any serious AR. It was like Kanye was already up and coming anyways, just like a 50 Cent. They already knew 50 Cent was going to blow up, right? So it wasn't a matter of if, it was more about when. Versus you have some artists where it's iffy and you got to spend the time and groom them and blah, blah, blah. So when you're talking about karma, there's a lot of artists that say Jay-Z did them wrong, but then Jay-Z's fine. But the difference between Jay-Z and Diddy, Jay-Z toes the line. Jay-Z does not go
Doesn't do freak offs
he doesn't step out of the boundaries
that
in
we know of.
anything that we are aware of.
That we know of. Do you think he deserved it?
Deserve the 4-year sentence?
Yeah, the 4-year sentence. Yeah.
I don't think so. I think
Yeah.
if you, from the specifics of the case and what was actually
What he got charged for.
charged with,
Yeah. Well,
I think clearly it was.
What did he get charged with? I know the
He
RICO
got
case he got
charged with,
thrown off.
the Mann Act, which is he basically paid for people to cross state lines.
Cross state lines.
for
Okay.
prostitution.
Yeah.
I think the reality is that this was more because it was so high profile.
But
They had to make an example,
But
which is
okay,
unfair.
you pay for people to cross state lines.
Yeah,
That's a very vague.
but it's the Mann
You
Act.
can I know, but you can interpret that in so many ways, which is why the law sometimes it's you just don't want to find yourself on the wrong end of it because things can be interpreted any which way.
You're 100% right.
You paid somebody across state lines. So what if I'm dating a girl and I paid for her flight and gave her money because she said she was broke? I could be charged.
Yeah, and I think I remember you arguing about this last time.
Yeah, we talked about it. Yeah.
This specific thing. It's almost like you're talking from experience, brother.
No. But I like his defense attorney though. He was smart to get.
That's her?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
okay.
one of his defense attorney.
Nice.
Yeah.
So I think with Diddy, it was more they just had to make an example.
I think
Is it
that's what
fair?
is.
No, but let's be honest. They always say the law is blind. It's garbage.
Nah.
Law is not blind. The law has its colors and
Well, it's
tones and.
Kind of one eye.
Pardon?
Can still see through the other eye.
Exactly.
Blind in one eye. That's what people don't understand. But
You know.
anyways,
But I think it's good that at least he didn't get 10 or 15 years.
yeah, that would have been so unjust and unfair.
He got 4 years.
Yeah. And if he didn't speak against Trump, Trump may have pardoned him.
Did he speak against Trump?
Yeah, he did.
Why would he do that? It's ridiculous.
I don't know. Did he get what he deserved or not?
He got what he deserved for the current climate we're in, the current political climate we're in, the post-MeToo era. Yes, I think he did. It is what it is. If this was 20 years ago, of course not. He probably would have gotten off with a slap on the wrist. He's a celebrity, but we're in a different era now.
So what's the lesson of the moral of the story is don't be a freak?
The moral of the story is just don't mess with these hoes. That's just it, man.
But I thought they said we need hoes.
Ludicrous said we need hoes.
Yeah, hoes got to eat. Like,
Yeah, we don't want to get censored. So,
no.
We're
but,
just playing.
it's just comedy. It's
exactly,
a joke.
exactly. Even though every joke has a
Truth behind.
Yeah, no, I think at the end of the day, it's a different era. We're in a different era. Women are in control. It is what it is.
It is what it is, man. It's
No.
got to live by that. So it's all good.
I remember this one guy was saying, women ran the world. There would be no building higher than 4 feet.
Are you trying to get us canceled, man?
No, I thought it was a funny joke. He's like, there'd be no skyscrapers. I was like, what?
Where's that guy now? Probably got canceled.
Most likely.
Yeah.
Dave Chappelle or
Dave
something. I
Chappelle.
don't know.
Oh yeah, Dave. Oh,
Yeah.
Dave Chappelle is just we'll talk about him another
Yeah,
day.
yeah, yeah.
That's another brilliant guy.